to the channel, and if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the next new videos coming up soon. We're back here in La Fortuna for another adventure, and this time we're going to do a cooking video. If you're on this video, you probably either have had ceviche or wanted to try ceviche. So today I'm going to show you my version of ceviche. Ceviche here is one of the most popular dishes of all of Costa Rica. You can try in different versions with fish, with shrimp, with lobster, or mix even. But today I'm going to do my own special version, the way I do it, a little bit different than the classical Costa Rican version. Alrighty, now it's time to go some shopping. We'll talk more about the ceviche later. Let's go.
Gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
now that we got our shopping all done, we need to do all our prep work. Like I said before, you can do your ceviche in many different ways, with fish, with shrimp, whatever you want. So today what we decided to do is we're going to make it with shrimp. And here what they call them, or in Spanish, is camarones. One of my favorites. It's a really good way to do it. So the first thing you need to do is prepare your camarones. Make sure if they're not cleaned before, to clean them properly. You can watch my sushi video, and there you can see exactly how to clean your prawns, prepare them and everything. And just do it that way, it's the easiest. Like I said, remember, cut with the scissors. Then we added to them lime juice. So the lime juice helps the raw seafood cook. So the acid of the lime cuts through the proteins and it technically cooks it that way. So it's like a cold cooking technique. The classical way of doing ceviche here in Costa Rica is what they end up doing is adding lime juice and ginger ale, which seems to be a very popular way. I like to do it a different way. I added club soda, which is usually added as well, and a little bit of fresh ginger. Something fresh I think tastes a lot better, and it's a little bit less sugar that way. Obviously we added a little bit of sugar into the ceviche here. If you like your ceviche sour, then you use a lot of lime, less sugar or less ginger ale. It'll be more sour. Another way, if you like it more sweet, I like to sometimes put a little bit of, like, let's say half lime juice and half orange juice. So that gives it a nice little different flavor as well. Like I said, today with the camarones, I wanted to make sure they're nice and sour, so we did straight lime, club soda, and ginger, and a little bit of sugar. I mixed that all together, put it into the fridge for about 30-45 minutes to an hour. It's not a problem if it's in the fridge the whole time. Stay up to 12 hours and you won't have any issues. And then that's where we have the mixture here. After that, we need to prepare the rest of our ingredients. And the main ones, the most popular one is usually red pepper, sweet red pepper, and red onion, and cilantro. So I prepared some of that already. Cut it all up in nice small cubes, small dice, and just finely chopped our cilantro. Now we're going to add that into our mixture here. Now, what we need to do finally to finish this off is to season it. I like to keep it simple, so obviously you're going to need a little bit of salt. Okay, so always add more. And I like to put a little bit of cumin in mine as well. Give it a little stir. The most important part about food is the taste, in my opinion. So while we're preparing our dishes, we always need to taste them, taste as we go. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so the limes that I end up using are a little bit bitter. So to fix it up a little bit, I'm gonna put a little bit more sugar just to kind of balance everything out so it's not too much of a bitter flavor. A little bit more salt. Cumin, and we should be good. All right, it's time to serve. So usually here in Costa Rica, what I've noticed is ceviche is served with plantains, a plantain chip. Really good, tastes really nice. All right, and that's our ceviche ready. And enjoy. Thanks for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. We're back in La Fortuna now. We got more cool videos coming pretty soon. I hope you guys are excited. And if you enjoy the content, make sure to like and subscribe to the video. All your support will be really, really appreciated. Thank you very much for all the subscribers that are coming in on a daily basis. And if you want to support me even more, make sure to check out the Patreon link down in the description below. It's something I've recently added, and there you can find some secret things that I have planned coming up soon. Maybe like a cookbook. Make sure you check it out and you'll see what exactly I'm talking about. For now, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.